Day 1, discovery and nest building starts. Day 2, sleeping in a ball and flattening out the nest. Day 3, bring in the feathers to make this nest. Day 4, the nest is starting to take shape. Day 5, Mr. Bird brings a snack. Day 6, Mrs. Bird is scared of a wasp attack. Day 7, looking very comfortable now. Day 8, it finds more feathers. Day 9, a snack and then off to sleep. Day 10, 11, 12, 13, laying the eggs, exhausting. Day 14, finding more feathers needed. Day 15, strange noises outside. Day 16, the male bird feeds all the bugs for the female bird. Day 17, let me out of here. Day 18, some days are for sleeping. Day 19, Mr. Bird, that's a big one. Day 20, snuggling in for the day. Day 21, strange sleeping position. Day 22, keep those eggs nice and warm. Day 23, inspection time and a meal. Day 24, all curled up. Day 25, Mrs. Bird is feeling threatened. Helping the first chick to hatch. How do they feed the baby birds? Leave it to the expert Mr. Bird. Day 26, meal time for the baby birds. In one end and out the other. Day 27. Does any of the baby birds want this bug? Day 28, nest cleaning time. Day 29, false alarm, a big caterpillar for a little baby bird. Day 30, something is scary outside. Day 31, clean up baby bird droppings. Day 32, divide the food evenly among the baby birds. Day 33, who made this mess down here? Day 34, the female bird is angry at the male bird. Day 35, a big one after a small snack. Day 36, another big green caterpillar for a small baby bird. Day 37, they need more food. Day 38, chicks don't really fit in this nest anymore. Day 39, I don't want to be here anymore. Day 40, wings need to be stretched. Look the wrong way and miss out on a tasty meal. Day 41, young birds warm themselves to each other. Day 42, heads are for climbing on. Day 43, mother birds are constantly looking for food. Day 44, looking out at the big world beyond the nest. Day 45, the mother bird asked the baby bird to leave the nest.